Have you ever wondered how businesses measure customer loyalty and predict growth? One of the most powerful tools they use is the Net Promoter Score, or NPS. The Net Promoter Score was introduced by Fred Reichheld in 2003 and has since become a universal measure of customer loyalty. It's based on a single, powerful question. On a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend our company to a friend or colleague? Based on the responses, customers are divided into three categories. Promoters, 9-10, are your loyal fans. Passives, 7-8, are satisfied but not excited. And detractors, 0-6, are unhappy customers who may damage your reputation. Calculating NPS is simple. Take the percentage of promoters and subtract the percentage of detractors. The score ranges from 100 to plus 100. For example, if 50% are promoters and 20% are detractors, your NPS is 30. But what does the score mean? Above 50 is excellent, 0 to 30 is average, and below 0 is a warning sign. More detractors than promoters. In today's competitive market, NPS is more than just a number. It's a growth predictor. A high NPS often means more repeat business and referrals, helping businesses identify weak spots in customer experience. Of course, NPS isn't perfect. It reduces complex customer emotions into one score and can be influenced by cultural differences. That's why it works best with follow-up questions that reveal the why behind the score. In summary, Net Promoter Score is a simple yet powerful way to measure loyalty, improve customer experience, and predict growth. Want to dive deeper into NPS, customer satisfaction, and business insights? Visit HUMANITYUAPD.com for more expert knowledge.